Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. I already taught my previous videos Laravel framework, how to make the CRUD application and how to make the simple website in Laravel. Today I am going to teach another famous PHP framework which name is Codeigniter. So Codeigniter latest version will be 4. So first we have to download the Codeigniter, go to the Google, type Codeigniter 4. You can get the result like this. You have to go to the respective website for download them. So codeigniter.com, this is the website which you download the framework. So click on the download link. It will be take you to the respective website for download. There are many versions are there. Codeigniter 2, 3, 4. This one will be the latest version. Before download the latest version, you have to read the requirements, right? Requirement is very important stuff. So their requirements they required is here PHP 7.2 version. Yeah, if you install the PHP 7.2, then only you will be able to work in Codeigniter, right? So it's don't worry about that. It's simple stuff. If you are not installed, if you are installed the oldest version, you just uninstall them. You just go to the Google and type XAMPP. This is the first XAMPP website. This is a website. Click on this one. So here this one should be the latest version of PHP XAMPP, right? If you just click and download in your machine, right, and install them, this one will be the latest version, right? After install the latest version, you will be able to work with the Codeigniter 4, right? Okay. Now here you have to click the download button. That Codeigniter will be downloaded here, right? Okay. Now you download the framework, right? So here I already download 2 or 3 times. That's why it put coming like this. So here let's go to the downloaded file. This is a downloaded file. So I just double click and open. This one should be your right. This one should be your project files. So what I am going to do is here. I already installed the XAMPP server in my machine. I installed in F drive. So this is my project. I just copy this one. Go to my F drive. XAMPP, my exam. Inside XAMPP, there will be the folder called htdocs. Inside the htdoc, I am going to running my project. Right click and paste what I copied here. This is zip file. Okay, so this zip file. Right click and extract. Click extract. It come as a normal folder, right? If you extracted, it come as a normal folder. Here this one should be the normal folder, right? So now what I am going to do, see this one only I have to get it. Okay, so this is the folder, right? So I just copy this one. This one I just cut off this folder. I paste it outside here, right here, this one. Okay, so I no need this one. This one I have to remove it, right? So this one I am going to change. This is my files, right? So here I am going to change the name of the project. The name I am going to give as a I just Codeigniter web, Codeigniter web, right? I just give the project name like this. Okay, very simple. This is how you have to work with Codeigniter, right? The very simple one. So after that, the editor which I am using is here is VS Code, right? This one should be very easy to write the code in PHP. If you like, you will be able to use PHP Storm as well. That also the best editor for writing PHP codes. I am using VS Code. Okay, this is very easy stuff rather than compared to PHP Storm, right? So I already download in your machine. I double click and open. Right, simple one. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to open the project, right? So right click file, open folder. My project is reside on the F drive. Inside the F drive we have a XAMPP folder, htdoc. You have to select the core G web. Select folder, right? Now this is your project. Very simple project. So first of all we have to run the project and check what is the default output. So terminal, new terminal. So you have to get the terminal, right? The terminal should be here. Okay, core web. You inside you are here web. Okay. So how to run the application is Codeigniter. You have to type PHP shark serve. This is a command which we use to run the application. Okay, the same is simple. When you are running the Laravel, but you are using Laravel Artisan, you have the same command. Here you have the Spark. Then that is the only thing. It will be the different compared to Laravel and Codeigniter. Understand the different. Okay, this is simple different frameworks, right? The both are same, right? Codeigniter 4, right? So press enter key. Now your port is running. Okay, this port is running. So I just copy this one. Go to the Google. Put it. Press enter key. It's coming here. It's working. It's working successfully. Now here it's working successfully. There is no problem. It's working perfectly well. The Codeigniter framework is working well. If you get the result look like this, very simple. Now first you have to understand what is the output is coming here is here. If you go to the notepad, I just have to explain it little bit. This Codeigniter mean this is a PHP framework. Framework mean it consists of the model view controller MVC. M mean model, V mean stands for view, C mean it stands for controller, right? So model, which is a database loaded. This one view mean it is your design, but you are design on your site. It look like a view, right? Controller mean all over your app should be controlled by this controller, right? So you already open the project. I shown all the stuff here. If you go to the app folder, if you expand this one should be the controller. Inside the controller, these are the when you download your project, these are the default controller. The default controller should be home controller. Home controller default action method, which is an index action method, right? Okay. If you go to the views, okay, views, right? So views here, right? The views, right? This view folder. This is the basic view. Welcome message PHP. Okay. When the application is run, what happen? First you have to call the controller, which is a index. Okay, by index, it is calling to when the form is page is loading. It's called the index action method. What is you are calling the index action method? You are calling the view page. Which view page you are calling? Welcome message. So what is here? It will be displayed. This is how it will be displayed the output, right? Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to create the new page. Okay, this is a view page. Okay, you can understand that. This app folder. Inside the app folder, you have a controller and views, right? So first we have to discuss about the controller and view. Model we will be discussing later, right? So first what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the views folder. Here, select the views folder, right click, new file. I am going to create the new file. This one should be, I am going to create the index. This one should be index.php, which name is index.php. Very simple page I am going to create. So here I am going to create the HTML, simple HTML, basic HTML I am going to create. HTML for easy to, you can understand that, easy, right? I just already done here, basic, right? So, okay, HTML head tag, head close. This is the structure of HTML you are writing. So body tag, body close. Okay, this is the structure you have to write HTML codes. Right. Now what I am going to, inside here, index.php, I am going to message, I am going to type h1, I am going to write the h1 tag, this is heading tag. So you have to write hello, welcome, right? Hello, welcome. I just write the message, welcome, right? Now, what I am going to do is, once you done this one, you just file and save all. Instead of save, you have to put all, right? Okay, save all, okay, right? Now, what I am going to do is here, now I want to run the application index.php. So, how to run? you already create the view. This view you have to run this design. How to run? Go to the controller folder, home.php. This is the index action. This is the action method home, right? So here this controller, home controller, it's extended the base control, right? It's not right. Okay, the base control is extended, right? So here first what I did here is public function is index. Index action method will be run. Return we what you are calling the page welcome message.php. Instead of that, I am going to calling index.php. So how to call? Okay, get rid of the extension. It don't want. Here only you have to type index. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, when the page is loaded, index action method will be loaded. It returning to the view page, which is a index page. It goes here. It's look at the page when the page is loaded. First, framework will be considered about which control, which action method will be called. Index action method called. Inside the index action method, what is the view you are here? You are right here. That view it will be written. So what is the view? Index.php. Okay. So this is the thing we have to do. Okay. Right. Now what this also we have to say. Right. The same thing you have to do here in Laravel also. After that, you have to do another thing, important stuff. What is the thing? Route. Laravel also have a route. The PHP, Codeigniter also has a route, right? So where's the route? You have to go to the route folder, right? It also here, right? Route. There's a route folder. Here. Configuration. Go to the configuration folder. Inside the configuration here, when you expand the app folder, it has controller folder. Here, if you expand the configuration folder, inside the configuration folder, there will be the file called route, routes.php. Okay. Here you have to handle all the stuff. The first call the home control index action method. It's the default one you are calling. Okay, you can set any controller over here. Okay, this default controller means it will be running. Home controller index action method will be running. If you want, you can change over here. This is the only thing you have to set it here. Route get only home controller index action method. Right? Now, this is the thing we have to row. Okay. Now let's run and check. Okay, this is how it's work. Right. Now let's go here. Now if you refresh it, hello, welcome. Message will be displayed successfully. Why? I have just changed this one as changed it as a home control index. When you call the index action method, what's the view I am calling? Index view I am calling, so that once you are written in the index.php, the view should be written. Welcome message should be written. Okay. I hope you guys you understood so far. Right. Now I am going to create another two pages, about us and contact us pages. So how to do the stuff? So first go to the first you select the folder which is the views folder. Right click, new file. Here you have to write about us .php. Extension will be must. Press enter key. Your about us page has been created. Now I am going to create one more page. The page that one should be contact us page. Contact us.php. Right. Press enter key. Contact us page has been created successfully. Right. Now here what I am going to say. You just double click and select the about us.php page. Here I am going to the same index.php what you have written. Control C to Control A to select all. Control C to copy back to my about us.php page. Control V to paste here. Only I am going to change only here the text I am going to change. This page is what's the page? About us. Okay. I just designed this one. Okay. About us. The same page. Control C to copy the same thing. Contact us page also. Control V to paste. Here I am going to change this one as a contact us. Right. So save all. Okay. Then all the pages will be saved. Right. Now I have created three view pages. Right. What are the index, about us and contact us? Three various pages I have created. Content also I have changed. This is contact us page. This is about us page. This is index page. Right. Understand? Now what I am going to do it here, go to the controller part, home controller part. Now how to run the about us page. So the same thing, Control C to copy this function, index action method, paste it below. Here we have to write about us, this about us, right? The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be contact us. This is the action method. Now return what is a page, this method which we return calling. When you call this method, what will be return the page, not index page. Which page return? This method will be written about us page. So we have to write about us. What is the page when you are when this method call, which page will be loaded? Contact us page. Where's this contact us page? Right. Okay. Contact us. This is simple. Okay. Now when you run the application, only work what? Only work welcome only, message only work, right? So if you run on the about us page, how to work? If you press about us, nothing work. Why? Your about us page is reside on which controller? Home controller, about us method. So you have to provide the controller here. Home controller, about us. You got. Again, contact us also here. Okay. Earlier what happened is here, I only control by here when the page is loaded, index method will be called because I set the route file there, right? So here, now what I am going to do is, this all the things I am going to set it as a route file. Okay, it's very simple. Then only you will be make the links. Okay, so what I am going to do is here route. Go to the configuration, routes. Now here I am going to put it all the routes here. The same thing I just written here. Control V. I play right. Now here this one should be the when you click on the about us link, it will be visiting the home controller action method, which is a when you click on this link, what happen? It goes to the home controller about us action method. Contact us, when you click the contact us page, it goes to home controller contact us action method, right? This is the route we have to give it here. Okay, so we save all, right? Now I am going to make the links, right? So links will be I have created in the which page? I am going to create this view page. Okay, controller inside the control view page, right? So index.php I am going to create the views. So views, I just this is the views, right? Control C copy. This one I am going to paste it here, right? This is the L. This L mean is a list. I just list. A mean anchor tag, href, this make the link. Okay, so here we have to write when you make the link, right? When you make the link, you have to write php tag, open tag and close tag. Inside that echo base URL, you have to write home controller about us. And again here I just save all and check first. Okay, first, right? It's coming like this. Here you will be able to see. If you click this link, you will be see here. It goes to the home controller about action method. Select click on this one, home controller contact us action method. So what I did here is I have, if you click on this link, particular link, what happen is if you click on this link, it's a link, right? Click on this, what happen is it goes to the home controller. Where the home controller? This is the home controller. Inside the controller folder, home controller, home.php means home controller. What I written here, home controller. What's the method I have called? This one, home controller action method I am calling about us. It's coming, it's back to home controller. It's see if you are calling the about us function, it's return what's the return you give the return view. It will be show to the page, right? The same thing does here as when you are click on the contact us, it goes to home controller contact section method. What is the view you are returning inside the contact us action method? It will be written. Okay, so that's the thing we have to do. Okay, very simple here. What is the view? Context method. What is the view you are written? Contact us. So what is the page? Contact us as a page. Inside the views folder, this is a page. It will be written here. This is a very simple application we are making Codeigniter for. I hope you understood the stuff, how to view works, routes as well as a controller, right. In my next tutorial, I will be continue the CRUD part in Codeigniter 4. You will be understand all the stuff. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.